Okay, guys, to be honest, you're really disappointing me. You can't just follow simple instructions. What's wrong with this strategy? Okay, what's wrong with this strategy, guys? What's wrong? What's wrong? I don't understand you. This is now getting personal. What's wrong with this strategy? Simple instructions. I gave out that video. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. If I'm doing it, why can't you just do exactly what I'm doing, guys? Why can't you do that? Look at this. Look the inches. Look at the inches. Look at the inches. It's a confirmation here, guys. It's a confirmation. What's so hard to follow this? You know, it pains me. I tried to help you out, guys. You see, I tried to help you out, guys. But why are you not getting it? Why? Why are you not getting it, guys? Why? No, it pains me to see people blow that large amount, that big amount. How can you just blow such money? You just give it away. It depresses you, it frustrates you. You see, I just gave out this, but guys,